Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you, miss you.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my OG tunes, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, in this video, as you can see from the title, I'm unboxing my new winter boots. Like, oh my god, I've been eyeing some boots and I've really been thinking if to spend that huge amount on a boot, if I'm gonna be wearing it. So for the past few months now, I've really been living a minimalist life. Like I sold a whole lot of my shoes, my boots, my bags, and yeah, and I'm really happy with my very small collection right now. Like I can really use what I have right now. Like I had some bags like Lady Dior bag. So like the Lady Dior bag that I have in black, I also sold that bag because I was not using it the way it's supposed to. So there is no need of buying something and you're not using it and you're just keeping it in your closet just because you want to have it or you want to belong to the people that have it. No, you must not belong to any group. You have to make yourself happy. I'm just trying to say you have to use what you spend your money on. I don't really feel okay with it anymore, and that was why I started selling some of my shoes, the ones I not really wore and the ones I was so excited like getting. So it's just so amazing, but I'm really happy that I sold those things and that my collection is much more smaller, like very small. Like if I tell you guys how many bags I have now and how many shoes, like you guys are going to be surprised, but I don't really care because I know the little I have now, I'm really going to enjoy it. And yes, so this minimalist life is just to be conscious of what you're buying. Not because the new collections are out, you just want to have the new collection. No, nowadays I do think a whole lot. Like if I want to get something, like I really think, are they going to match to my closet? Will I be using them? At least. Like when I say at least, like will I really enjoy them? Imagine myself wearing those things at least once a week or twice a week. Just depend on the season, you know, if it's winter clothes or shoes, or if it's a summer clothes or shoes. So will I really be using them? Not the one to keep or to just think that, okay, when there is any occasion, this is what I want to wear, and you just buy them and occasions never really come. Like, so I don't do that. I just stop. Like when I have something new, I wear them, and if it's something for winter, I said winter. If it's something for summer, because I went to Hermes. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you will see I always post because I'm so in love with the brand Hermes right now. And yeah, so the 2022 collection, summer 2022 collections are out now, like the orange sandals and oh German, like the orange sandals, Oasis sandals, which I love so much. And yeah, so if it's those ones, like I really think, am I going to wear them? Are these colors really going to match to my closet? That is what I think. And the budget, which really is a lot. So there is no amount of you buying and you're not really using it. So it does not, I think it's harmful to your wallet and here as well. So yeah, so I've been eyeing the Bottega boot, you know that boot, the Bottega winter boot. And so I went to the Bottega store, and yeah, so I went to the Bottega store and they arranged those shoes on the window, kind of, yeah, the show glass. And so before entering the store, so I just kind of like, okay, let me see the ones they have by the window side, and I saw these boots live, and the red, like I've never seen them live. I always see them on Bottega website or other website like Farfetch, My Teresa, all of that. And seeing those shoes, those boots live by the window, I just kind of disagree with it. I did not even bother myself again entering the Bottega store. just kind of a short story, but it's real. I did not even bother myself again, like going inside. One, I already imagine how heavy those shoes would be. I don't really love to walk on a heavy shoe. I don't have that strength, and also walking on a heavy shoe, and when I'm back home, like I'll just kind of like collapse, like I'm tired, as if I've climbed a rock 20 times. So I can imagine how heavy those boots are going to feel, and also the look, like this ugly look. Sorry if you're a Bottega lover, I'm really sorry, but the look was not really my look. So the boot is too big at the front, and I don't really kind of like that style. So, but I wanted something similar, not that heavy look, similar, and also not that kind of very round, kind of funny shape. I don't want, but also the one that looked exactly similar to the Bottega, you know. And then I came across this Fendi boots. And yeah, when I saw this Fendi boots, I knew this is definitely going to be the one for me. And then I said, okay, before I click on this, I had it to my shirt, and I was like, okay, before I click on it, I need to visit the Fendi store here in Hamburg, which I did. I went to the Fendi store, and I asked the SA if they have the boot. So I just showed her the picture, and she said no, they don't have it in store, and they can order it for me also in store. So the ones I saw was the typical or iconic Fendi boots, the black one that has this iconic texture, this iconic material, this brownish black FF, you know, that kind of stuff, you know. And I don't really like that because it's so outspoken, and for me, I just think I can't really match it with everything that I have. Like if I'm going to style it, I wanted something very plain without any other color. So if it's going to be black, then it's going to be black, and if it's going to be cognac, so it's going to be cognac. And so either two of that color, but not black mixed with cognac, you know. And I don't really love that colors, the one they have. And then I said, okay, I will definitely go ahead and order this. And yeah, so the box is here, and we are going to be unboxing it together. And yes, so I'm excited. So I've not seen what's inside. I've not even feel whether it's heavy or not. So we are going to be unboxing it together, and you guys can also tell me if to keep it or not. I definitely know there's going to be the right winter boots for me, because I don't really have boots. Like the boots I have, I've sold them. I think I only kept one, is the Christian Dior boots. Like if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture, I think a picture or a video 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks ago on my Instagram story. So you can also see the Christian Dior boots there, and that is the only boots I have left now. And this Fendi boot is gonna make it second, and I think I'm okay with boots. I just need kind of flat, elegant, long boots, but not over knee boots. And then this kind of Stiefelette, I don't know what they call it, this kind of short boot also. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's just get into the oh, these are two huge dust bag. Care instruction. Yeah. It's leather, so everyone knows how to care for leather. And voila, we are very well packaged. wrapped. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is the boat, like, oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. Like I said, very similar to the Bottega, but it's not very high. Like, I think the Bottega is more higher here. So look at this FF down, and also I think the side also know the back. You know, it has this FF at the back, and yeah, just kind of decent boots, and so it's not very outspoken like this is a designer shoe or whatever, unless you really need to go deep down, and then you will see this symbol FF before you know it's Fendi. So it's not calling on look at me, I look expensive or whatever. So this is it. And yeah, so I choose I went for my actual size 39, and yeah, so whoa, can't wait to try this on. Oh my goodness, like, just look at it. Let me show you guys very well. Like, look at the down. Look at the down side, you know, with this Fendi. This is rubber leather. I think rubber here, and this is leather. And here it also has this F written here as well.
Yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you. Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back. I want you, hit you up. I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off. I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you.